Hello, today I'm going to show you what to do if you turn on your Tajima embroidery machine with a floppy USB and the machine does not boot. Now this can be a little unsettling at first, but it is not a huge deal. Over the years we've made improvements to the floppy USB, including a power boosting section. Now sometimes the machine may not read if it doesn't have enough power. And sometimes with this power booster, it takes a little bit too much power right at boot up, so your machine doesn't boot correctly. So to fix this, you'll remove your floppy USB. And what you're gonna do is get a pair of tweezers, something small enough to push these little tabs back, like so, right here on the corners. And what this does is allow you to open the shell. Slide it open. Now pay attention here. There's a locking mechanism here and on the top corners here. So when you slide it out, it'll slide out and then lift straight up. Now, what we're going to be paying attention to is this area. In some cases, if you're going to need to adjust power, certainly call us and we'll walk you through the steps. But for this situation, all we have to do is pay attention to this jumper here. So all we have to do is move this jumper from the left 2 pins to the right 2 pins. What this does is it deactivates the power booster section here and allows the machine to boot up normally and function as it should. To replace the shell, we'll pay attention to those 2 areas there where it slides in, here and here on both sides. Make sure it goes completely flat. And what I do here is slightly flex. As you can see here, it flexes up like that. This little guide right here will slide up and then in. And there we go. Now once this process is completed, you'll just plug it in like normal with your power and ribbon cable. Now if you have the certain type of ribbon cable that has the missing pin, keep note of that. Usually you want to have the, on the ribbon cable there is a red wire that leads on the outside of the ribbon cable. You always want that facing closest to the power cable here. So that way, if you put it upside down, it doesn't push this upper pin up here in the corner. This one is purposely taken out for that reason.